Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide all posts on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and click on menu option. Then tap on settings, scroll down, click on your activity, then activity log. Okay, tap on public post, just wait few seconds and click on filter option. Okay, tap on categories. Okay, then click on your post, then tap on people, then cancel, click on all, okay, and just tap on three dot option and tap on change audience, then just tap on only me to hide all posts on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.